Yo, today we are going to talk about how do you identify trends the right way. Okay, so there are two basic ways. In fact, there are three, but I'll be teaching you two. I'll be explaining the third one later on. Okay, so make sure you stick around. This year, I'll be posting 3 videos every single week. So make sure you subscribe right now so that you can get notified every single time that I post. Okay, make sure you turn on that notification bell. Okay, so this is our trend right here. You can see that. I hope you can see that clearly. Okay, so this is the first thing, the very first one. We have two of them. The best one that helped me to become profitable consistently, easily. Okay, this can work. The first one can work for beginners. The second one a little bit advanced, but also for beginners. Okay, it's basically for every beginner. Okay, so this is it. The first one, I know most of you have learned this on my previous videos. The first one is the 200 moving average. Okay, so you can see 200 moving average smooth. Okay, so we'll be testing 3 months or maybe 4 or even 6 months worth of information on the chart so that we can also see how effective this strategy is. Okay, so look, the market bounced off the above the moving average. Damn, nice opportunity. Came back to the close the moving average. Nice opportunity. Okay, there was no nice, very nice opportunity here. But look at this. Boom, nice opportunity. Look at this. Boom, close to the moving average. Nice opportunity. You can see the price went all the way up. Okay, you can see came close to the moving average. Bam, nice opportunity. So look at this. The test comes from May 25th. Okay, so basically from June, let's say from June, okay, June 1st, you can see, bam, look, coming back to the opportunity, to the moving average, bam, up, came down to the moving average. So every time the market is above the moving average, you are only, and mark that word, it's the keyword, only looking for buying opportunities. Every time the market comes below the moving average, okay, like right here, you are looking for selling opportunities only. Look, bam, nice opportunity. Look, bam, nice opportunity, okay? And then we had a V-type rejection right here. This is some sort of a V, okay, which shows this is definitely a week on the higher time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame, but this is definitely a week on the 4 hours or maybe 1 hour, okay? So look, the market went above at somehow here, you maybe made a little bit of money and then gave it back to the market. That's fine. It's part of the game. Since you are making money more than you're losing, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be angry at that, okay? Look at this. Boom, nice small opportunity here, and then bam, big opportunity, big opportunity. Look, the market formed some new V-type rejection right here, okay, and then the market rose. I normally show these type of things on the course. So if you want to learn maybe more, just grab the course. It's around 99 bucks only, and also for full mentorship maybe 200 bucks if you're interested only. Okay, look at this. Bam, the market shot up. Look at this, the market shot down. Every time the market is below the moving average, generally, not like a small spike up out, okay, it's like the general trend. You are only looking for selling opportunities. Selling opportunities. Look at here, bam, look at here, bam, look at this. This one was maybe a slow day. If you are good, I remember we took this trade a buy here and we got some 100 pips there. Okay, look at this. For beginner and simple strategy for anyone, including anyone. Okay, look at this. The market is above the moving average, retraced back, bam, spiked up. Above the moving average, came close, bam. Above the moving average, came close, bam. Above the moving average, came close, bam. Look, above the moving average, came close, bam. Look, all this until the market came below, and then some nice opportunity. Of course, this doesn't lack in the market. Some consolidation happens, okay, sometimes. This is the only flaws that you get on this particular strategy. Of course, it's a good one, an easy one. If you are very patient, you can still make some money around these places. Okay, look at this, bam. And then the market comes close to the moving average, chum. But remember, even if you get into a 1, 2, 3, 4 days consolidation, it's fine. Look at how many days you made money here consistently. Like so many days, you're making more than you're losing. And also you're making more money than you're also losing. Okay, look at this. Your entry is around here, close enough to the moving average. Then stop loss is right here, maybe 20 pips. And then you're smashing like 100 pips. Look, let's say your entry is right here, okay, right here, and then your stop loss comes to 15 pips and you're smashing 100 pips, almost 100 pips. We have a nice exit technique right here. I normally teach that on my course. You can grab it as well. Okay, so entry like 15 pips to make 100, to make 100. That's 1:6 or 1:7 something. Okay, so quite good risk to reward. Okay, you are making more than you lose, so your risk to reward is good, and also your win rate is also high. Okay, so let's go on. Bam, come close to the moving average right here. Bam, came close to the moving average right here. Bam, look at this. Bam, all the way up, came closer, pull back. Bam, bam. Like we have so many opportunities. Look at this. Bam, market came back and then came out and then pulled back the following day. Bam, like look at that. Very nice. Okay, you can see consolidation slightly. That's fine. It's part of the game. Okay, you understand that. And also the market went up, came close, consolidated around there. Bam, nice move. Bam, nice move. Let's look at that. The market rate is too far from the moving average. So you definitely want to buy close enough to the moving average. So you can decide on when you wake up, London session starts at around this place right here. At around this place up here, you're now expecting the market to pull back. Okay, so you can decide to take your short right here because you only want the market to come close enough to the moving average. The market will always come back to the average price. So when the market goes too far, and it is in the morning during London session, okay, bam, you can look to go against the trend slightly and you can get your 80 pips. Okay, bam, look at this. The market below the moving average, bam, dropped. The market was right here below the moving average, bam, dropped, and then it was a bullish day, of course. So you could have caught a few pips or maybe exited at break even. Okay, then look at this. The market came close to the moving average. After going up, the moving average curved up. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Just look at that, man. Bam, bam. Okay, the market came below the moving average. Bam, bam. Like so many good opportunities right here. Okay, you can see that. That is data enough since June, July, August, September. Those are already 4 months in action. Okay, giving you information on 4 months. Look at this. The market came above the moving average, spiked out. This was a good sign that there is weakness in the market because it is spiked above and then came back in. So around here, you could get a very nice opportunity right here based on one of our entry techniques to go against the trend, okay, or to catch a new trend early. Okay, bam, rose up. Then around here, bam, bam. You can see every time the market comes close to the moving average, you're definitely expecting a nice. All right, so you can see that bam, and then bam, and then bam, and then the market continues to move very well, respecting the moving average very well. Just look at that. Look at that. Apart from these days when the market is a little bit choppy, we have so much news. We have Trump tweeting and all these things. Currently, it is 2021, so no more Trump tweets. He was even banned from Twitter. Okay, so we are expecting some nice stable moves like that are not misled based on one single tweet. Okay, just look at that. Bam, nice moves, nice moves, nice moves. Then bam, bam, bam. Like just look at that. Very simple. The market went above, then we're expecting a pullback so that we can continue higher. And then jump, then bam, bam. Like so long as we are above the moving average, you're basically expecting a bullish trend. Okay, that is the first one. That is the first one. Okay, now let's go to the second one, the second style. Okay, maybe I can remove this indicator right there so that you can have a nice explanation. Okay, look, the second explanation is using high points and the low points. So what do I mean by this? The first thing, on a downtrend, you can write this down, okay? Make sure you subscribe, okay? If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now, okay? And make sure you turn on the notification bell. It is very, very important, okay? Look, when the high points, right here, when you see a high point going lower, so you see a high point, the price, bam, shot down. And of course, you can see the market was respecting this. These were the previous lows. So we had a low that went high, okay? And then we had this price went bam below the previous low. So the lows were right here. So the lows were right here, was right here, okay? And then we went below the low. What does that mean? We are now on a downtrend officially, okay? Then what are you looking for? You are looking for a new low, a new high, sorry, so that you can continue with the downtrend, okay? Look, the market came from this to here. So the high point right here went lower. So what do we mean by lower highs and lower lows? That is basically a downtrend. So the lower highs, okay, and the lower lows, okay? Basically, It's a downtrend. So you're looking for a selling opportunity right here. Bam. And then the next low still went lower. Okay. The next low right here still went lower. Okay. And the next high, sorry, went lower. And the next low here still went lower. So we are basically on a downtrend until we have this time that the market moves, until the day that this high point is invalidated and the price closes above the high point. That means we are officially now on an uptrend. So what you are looking at is just waiting for the price to pull back and give you a nice entry to go bullish, and then bam, and it's time to go up, up, up. And the same thing continues. Now on a bullish trend, you're looking at the low points. Okay, so the low points, let's continue right here. So this one was the low point, high point, and then we have a high point, a low point going lower. So the low point went lower, okay? And then we can now see what happened. So the price shot up, and then we had our new high right there. And when we had our new high, we say that we are now officially on a bullish trend. We are now expecting the price to pull, and then once it pulls, bam, we are now officially on a bullish trend. You jump on the trade, and then the vice versa now happens. When the low points are going higher, okay, and the high points are going higher, we are now on an uptrend. We are looking to buy only, okay? Look at this. The price is right. This was the previous high, and the price closed above the previous high. What does that mean? That means the market is now officially on a bullish trend. Now we are only looking for buying opportunities, buying opportunities, buying opportunities. But look at where the magic comes in. When you combine both the trend, identifying the trend with highs and the lows with the moving average. The moving average will ease your task. Look at when the price broke above the moving average, we shot up. So you get an extra confirmation. You get an extra confirmation at around here. You can see the price is consolidating at around here. You can see an extra confirmation, until the price breaks below, and then maybe you get into a consolidation. We resume to the bullish trend, price above, price above, price above, buying, 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 buying. You can see buying opportunities, buying opportunities. When the price comes above, buying opportunities, very huge profits right here. Okay, if you're very patient, very huge profits, 150 pips. Right here, we have a nice exit technique that would definitely notify you that you're exiting. Okay, right here, buying opportunities. This is the power of combining both the moving average and identifying using highs and the lows. Okay, the market is perfect. Okay, the market is always right. So the only thing that you need to do is to follow what you need to understand. Okay, just look at that. When the price is above the moving average, only looking for buying opportunities. Below, only selling opportunities. Above, only buying opportunities. But remember this is the 200 moving average smoothed. You can see, click here, come to smooth, not simple, not exponential, smooth moving average. Go back test that. Once you're very good with it, make sure you comment below and thank me for that. Okay, and also right now, if you've learned something new, make sure you like that. You smash that like button. Your like button, if your like button is blue, we highly appreciate that. Okay, so boom, bam. When it comes bearish, we continue to sell. These are two very basic strategies, basic things that I learned when I started trading, when after losing for a long time. And once I learned enough, I practice enough. Make sure you demo trade. Okay, don't go straight on your live account. Okay, make sure you demo trade to familiarize with everything. Okay, once I understood this, boom, everything changed. Everything changed. My confidence rose up. My profit level rose up. I was now making more than I was losing. I was now making more than I was. Okay, in terms of win rate, I was making more times than I was losing. And in terms of the risk to reward, I was making more money than I was losing when I lose. Okay, and look, the only flaws with this strategy is when the market gets into a consolidation, like right here, you have to be patient. I have one more extra confirmation that normally helps me to understand the trend. And you can get that on my guide, like it's only $99, okay? You can get that with more videos on all my entry strategies, like 6 of them, forward or exit strategies, how to identify the trades, how to identify sentimental analysis, to analyze sentimental analysis on how the banks are placing their positions, if they are holding their buys, their sales, and how to combine that with all the strategy, the entire strategy. You can get the guide if you want to, only $99. But if you want to get the Zoom session included, you can go for the $200 package. Make sure you check the link in the description to contact me if you're interested, okay? If you want to join my broker as well, very good, very nice broker with zero spread, okay? Boom, my broker, the link is down below as well, okay? Join my free channel as well. The link is also in the description below, okay? See you later, guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and see you later. Continue profiting. Good luck. Happy 2021, okay? See you later, my good guys. Bye-bye.